This video ad was made with zero camera, zero model, and zero budget. The guy you're about to see, he doesn't even exist. He's AI. And businesses pay hundreds of dollars for ads exactly like this. Today I'll show you how to make them completely free using Google Flow. Let's get into it. First, head to Google Docs where I've saved a master prompt. Copy the whole thing. I'll drop the link to this master prompt in the description. Now paste it into ChatGPT and hit send. Next, you give it your input. The format is simple: gender, ethnicity, age or age range. I typed male, Indian, 20s. You also have to add the image of the product you're making the ad for. I added this men's t-shirt from my downloads folder. Hit enter. ChatGPT spits out two things: a full character and a full video prompt. Let's build the character first. Open Google Flow, click New Project and name it UGC Ad. Go to Characters section, paste in the appearance prompt and generate. In under 40 seconds, your AI creator is born. And honestly, he looks great. Back to ChatGPT. Copy the body prompt, return to Flow, click Create Body and paste it. It rebuilds him almost identically. I renamed him to Arjun. Now click Select Voice and pick up Base Voice. Then copy the voice description from ChatGPT, paste it into the Customize Performance box, name the voice Arjun and hit Save New Voice. Give it a few seconds, preview it.
Hi there! We're introducing a new feature.
Satisfied. Sounds perfect. Click Add to Character. Last step here. Copy the character info from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow's character info section. This is what keeps his personality consistent across every single video. Now let's give him a second angle, so Flow really understands his face. Copy the second reference prompt, paste it into Flow, change the name to @Arjun, set it to image 9:16, Nano Banana 2 and generate. 30 seconds later, a second reference shot logged in. Now for the ad itself, copy the full video prompt from ChatGPT, back in Flow, hit the plus button, click Upload Media and upload your product image. Once it's in, select the product and the second reference image and click Add to Prompt. Now paste the video prompt. Delete the typed out @Arjun, type the @ and pick Arjun from the list so it links properly. Set your config to video, ingredients 9:16, 1x, Omni Flash, 10 seconds. You'll see it uses 15 credits. Hit generate. And in under a minute, there it is, your AI UGC ad.
Yo, this shirt low-key looks way more expensive. The texture and fit actually hits so clean. Yeah, no cap. This one's worth trying, bro.
There's a tiny flaw at the bottom of the shirt, but that's totally normal. 2 or 3 retries and you'll nail it every time. To save it, click the 3 dots on the clip, hover over download and choose 720p. Done. So that's a professional UGC ad. No camera, no model, no studio, made for free in just a few minutes. Use these for your own products or sell them to local businesses for real money. The master prompt is linked in the description, so go, grab it and make your first one today. And if this helped you out, hit subscribe. I drop free AI tools and workflows like this every week. See you in the next one.